today I am Surya from Hyderabad. This is my debut film. Today I am going to announce my film Women Diaries.
Yes, sir, what is the story depicting the issue in Moment Diary?
This story presents all victims who faced with unexpected issues. So this is related to entire all women. They faced in their past, in future also.
So, being a man, Surya sir, what is the inspiration you got from others, or what is the inspiration you got from any incident? You are, feeling that kind of feeling related to, it's a problem related to a woman. So, being a man, why it made you to write the film as such?
Yes. Yes, definitely. अभी ये सारा केसेस टीवी में देखते, मीडिया में आते, कहीं पे रेप हुआ है, और दिल्ली में देखा है, हम हैदराबाद में देखा है, अभी रिसेंटली यूपी में देखा है. सो ये न्यूज़ टीवी में देखे तो हम बहुत शर्म हो जाता. ऐसा हमारा तरफ मर्द है, ऐसा हम कैसे हो सकता है. सो हम भी मर्द हूँ, कोई लड़की मेरा पास ऐसा मेरे ऊपर ऐसा डाउट कोई बाहर गए तो ऐसा डाउट देखे तो हमको भी शर्म आते हैं. सो डोंट बी लाइक दैट. सो दैट्स दीज थिंग्स वी आई एम वेरी मच सो ऐसा इश्यूज नहीं होना चाहिए. सो ये दिस फिल्म दिस स्टोरी कम आउट फ्रॉम माई हार्ट. सो वही सिचुएशन में हम रहे तो क्या हो सकता है, हम कैसे हो सकता है. सो ऐसा सिचुएशंस किसी को होना नहीं चाहिए. सो दिस फिल्म रिलेटेड टू all incidents which came out from them.
Surya sir, what is your background before becoming a director? What kind of professional background you have? What industry you work in? Something about your background?
Yeah. I'm a businessman basically. A small businessman. I am very much interested in films. बचपन से बहुत I am very much fascinated about films. लेकिन ऐसा मैं एक बिजनेस में आया था और बिजनेस करता रहा हूँ. 5-6 साल से ये इंटेंशन बहुत ज़्यादा हो गया. सो आई स्टार्टेड वर्किंग फ्रॉम बैक एंड एज ए line producer, executive producer, and somewhere my known people producing films. So I started like that. So then year by year I entered in all crafts. I know everything, like it's a I'm in little touch. I am little touch in all crafts. So that's why once my story I wrote the story, then I decided to do our own. Because ये मेरा हार्ट से आया था, वो शायद कोई सेटिस्फाई नहीं कर सकते. सो मैं ही खुद करना है. सो आई पुट ऑल माई एफर्ट्स फॉर दिस फिल्म. माई वाइफ प्रोड्यूसिंग दिस. शी इज़
And lastly, sir, cast of the film and what you have to say about the lead cast, how Justice Devi can do the role?
Yeah, this kind of film needs some known people, some celebrity. So I approached Mugdha Godse ma'am first. After the listen this story and all, she is very much interested. No, I will do this. So thank you so much for accepting me for this. After that, we approached Sudha Chandran ji. She is known Indian actress, award winner actress. So thank you very much, Sudha ji, accepting our project, presenting a Sharda role. Thank you so much, ma'am.